Hi guys, for this video I need to set this camera or something. So sorry about the loudness, by the way. Just set this up right here. There we go. I'm playing with slime. As you can see, it's blue and glittery, and I call it my classic mermaid slime. So, I know I haven't made any videos in a while. Not even a while. It's been like since I was in third. The last time I made a video was when I was in third. And now I'm in fourth grade. So that's kind of crazy. It wasn't the beginning of third grade though. It wasn't the beginning. It was the middle. Only the middle though, you would say, but I do agree. So you can just look at it shimmering here. I'm just like fill up with a screen with it. How about that, guys? Look at it falling down. Stretch it so I can actually fill up with a screen. Yeah. Sorry, I see pictures at the same time. So it's a really nice slime, as you can see. Just like squeeze your fingers into it. Sorry about the loudness. Anyways, my grandparents watching boxing. It's like 6:17 or something right now. Not really sure. What is my limit? Oh, I don't have a limit. But I remember 3 minutes my limit. Look at this slime. This is just my first reviewing video, and I don't have much slimes, but maybe I'll be able to show you guys some other slime, because right now this is the only slime that I wanted to review with you guys, because like my favorite slime so far. I said other slimes were my favorite slimes, but just look at it when you stretch it. That's just like satisfying, because like clear parts that you didn't even mix in with it. Anyways, the tide made it blue, by the way. It wasn't actually supposed to be blue. And the glitter, yes, was supposed to be blue. Glitter doesn't change color. Anyways, it's good slime. I like it a lot, but that's all for the video. So, goodbye. I'm so sorry. But my videos can only be 3 minutes or less. I'm sorry, there's just something wrong with my dad's camera. Oh. Anyways, bye. See ya.